organizer. We will fold the sheet, leaving little gap, 1 finger gap in the bottom. We will fold it like this. You can see my sheet. Now we are going to open it and fold it in a triangle like this. And over here we will draw a line using pencil. We are going to paste these two flats together. And now we will be making small cuts like this. Okay, your organizer is ready, but we have to decorate it. Galaxy is full of planets, full of stars, full of suns, moons around the planets. See how it is looking, very beautiful and colorful.
Did your children enjoy that? My name is Amol Arora. I'm the Managing Director of Shamrock and Shamford Group of Schools. We've got many more such activities in our EduMax learning program. We've created an amazing learning program because we realize children are at home, they cannot come to school, and schools have the expertise to educate children. To overcome this, we've come up with an amazing program which requires minimum eye strain, which has virtually no eye strain. Children just look for communication, they do the activities. It's a full day program. There's so much for children to do, and what the best thing I can tell you is get a free trial version. Just call the number below and get a free trial version and see for yourself how amazing it is. I'm sure you'll love it, but for the first step, take a free trial, and we are confident that your child would love EduMax as much as we have loved designing it. Good luck.